Hello, everybody. This video is C34Plus installation tutorial part 3. ATX motherboard. ATX power supply. 240AIO. Vertically mounting GPU. The size for GPU is 335135 mm. First, disassemble the chassis shells. Convenient installation and wires management. Please use the PH2 screwdriver. Unscrew the screws. You can easily twist out the screws. Note that due to process upgrades, this narrow-sided shell on the front panel no longer needs to be removed. First, put in the motherboard I/O and fix it. Connect the CPU power cables. Organize the cables through reserved space and fix with cable TIs. Connect the motherboard 24-pin cables. Connect the cables of the front panel I/O and switch. Apply silicone grease. And then fix the CPU block. And then put in the radiator. The fixed positions of the radiator are those holes. Next, we need to replace the GPU vertically mounting tailboard. First, unscrew these screws at the tail. Remove this to baffles below the tail. Install the GPU vertically mounting tailboard module. Install the GPU extension cable fixing holder. Use countersunk screws to install it to the bottom of the chassis. Fixed position as shown. Next, install the power supply on the power supply holder. Fix with round head screws. Note that the holder slope is on the same side as the power fan. Turn on the switch. Connect the power extension cable. Put it into the chassis. Fixed position as shown. There are 2 gears that can be adjusted. Connect the power cables. Next, we install the HHD into the hard drive holder. First, install it to 0.5-inch HHD. Use the HHD screws in the screw box. Then install 3.5-inch HHD. Install with shock-absorbing quick install screws. First, twist the shock absorber quick install screw to the HHD. Then align the holes in the holder. After putting it into the hole, push it lightly. Note that the connecting fingers, which all towards to this side, connect the SATA wires. Let the cables cross through the holder. Put the holder into the chassis. Fixed position as shown. There are 2 gears can be adjusted. Due to the GPU extension wire, only one 12 cm fan is supported at the bottom. Or support a 3.5-inch HDD. Next, we plug in the GPU riser cable. We recommended to use a 18.5 cm PC 4.0 cable. Use round head screws to fix the riser cable. Then put in the GPU and fix it. You can also install a 12 cm fan in the front panel. Fixed position as shown. Connect the power cable and turn it on for checking. Confirm that the hardware are installed successfully. Reinstall the power decorative panel. There are 3 hole positions for fixing the HDD holder. Finally put it back into the shell. The C34Plus with vertically mounting GPU is completed.